Understanding stealthy mode attacks by live detection and adaptable learning technique. Here we are going to find the invisible attacks by lively detecting and also by using an adaptable learning technique. Botnet is an attack and it is caused by the bot master. If the bot master attacks the secure databases directly, he can be caught red-handedly. So he attacks the secure databases indirectly through the other systems. Attacker uses several techniques to hide the malicious DNS activities at the network level. Our experimental evaluation make use of a 2-month-long 4.6 GB campus network dataset and 1 million domain names obtained from the alexa.com. They have been identified only after the attack has been made. In our proposed system, we can continuously monitor it and prevent it by making use of a botnet tracking tool. If an attack is made, botnet tracking tool identifies and denies the request and isolates them. Existing system. In existing system, the attack is identified only after it is done by the bot master. Drawbacks of an existing system. The bot master is identified only after the attack has been made. We cannot prevent or predict an attack, so they cannot be protected. We cannot check it in live. Bot master cannot be caught red-handedly. Proposed system. Creating a tool named botnet tracker to identify if an attack has been made, and if an attack has been made, it would be identified him as a bot master and it would be isolated. System requirements, software requirements and hardware requirements. System architecture. Supporting tool is placed at the router where the primary check of code words will be done here. Botnet tracking tool is placed at the server. Here secondary check will be done. Techniques. There are two techniques. Botnet tracking tool will be implemented in two levels. That is supporting level and botnet tracking tool. Supporting or primary level tool will be implemented in router, which checks for a chain of messages traveling from one system to the other and from the other system, thus forms a chain link of network. Thus, it is known as a botnet chain. It also checks the content of the message, which might have been attacking keywords or code words. If the router suspects any system, then it forwards it to the server. Server now starts monitoring each and every activity of those systems, and these systems are connected with those malicious systems. Botnet tracking tool. Here, live detection of attack will be done silently. It knows that at least when an attacker tries to hit any secure databases, this server will stop the network activities of those suspected systems and isolates them from the network. Modules. There are 5 modules, and the first one is creating server client systems and with the routers. In this module, we create a server client system having requests and responses with each other. Here we are going to create a single server with the multiple clients. Botnet chain creation from the bot master. The bot master chooses the path of the bots and creates a link towards the secure database, and this forms a chain of botnet systems in the network which will be ready to attack the victim by the command and control of their bot master. Sending a chain link of messages to form a botnet link. From the formed link, bot master sends a programmed message which can be automatically executed in the next system and send the message to the next system. When a message from the one system that successfully goes to the other, execute there by sending the message to the next system, thus forming a link with a checked or trial to attack the victim successfully at the first hit itself. Botnet tracking tool modeling and implementation. Here we can model the botnet tracking tool which is implemented in 2 phases. First level of checking in the router phase, where the supporting tool will be monitors the communication between the system and the networks. When a message or DNS is suspected, then the main level tracking phase starts monitoring status of search systems in the server without the knowledge of the client systems. In this modules, we implement the router with supporting tracking tool and main botnet tracking tool in the server level without any trace to the tracker. Live detection of attack and neural learning. As Lively monitors the attack's moves, it can easily hold the attacker on the axe so that it will isolate all the bot-lined messages sending from source and destination of the systems from the network. We can also going to develop a neural learning technique which stores all the actions performed by the attacker so that it can withhold those techniques for further attacks performed by the forthcoming attackers. And here we are going to create a bot registration so that all the bots are being registered here, and then tunnel creation is being done. So to find the path towards the destination, router shows that the data that is traversed along with it and the suspicion details. The server also shows the code suspections and the source and destination among which it has been traveled.